Unforgettable first call. Suicide. Kasi kahit takot ako sa ganung case. But with God's grace, I was able to pull it through. I was able to assist the family from deathbed to the funeral home, to the celebration of life, until the body were cremated, hanggang i-in-earn siya. Another one, baby, toddler, kid. Yan. Kasi isa akong nanay. So, I have to put aside being a nanay, yung feeling ng isang ina, and focus. Another thing, kapag yung tumawag sa akin is a familiar number. So, ibig sabihin, either family or friend. Tapos yung hindi sila tumatawag palagi, tapos biglang tatawag sa'yo. Yung, ala, may something na nun. Set aside mo yung being ikaw. Tapos, kailangan isuot mo na agad yung angel wings tsaka yung halo mo in order for me to serve them. Otherwise, pati ako.
Ako po si Angel Hazel with wings.